Shalom Aleichem everyone, and welcome to the video Vort for Parshat Bechukotai. After HaKadosh Baruch Hu concludes warning Bnei Yisrael of the terrible curses that will happen to us if we do not heed His word, He consoles us by saying, V'zacharti es brisi Yaakov, but don't worry, I will recall the covenant that I have with Yaakov Avinu, V'af es brisi Yitzchak, and even I will recall the covenant with Yitzchak Avinu, V'af es brisi Avraham es Kor, and I will even recall the bris, the covenant I have with Avraham Avinu. And he concludes his words of consolation with us by saying, V'ha'aretz es kor, and I will even recall the land. Explains Rashi, why does the pasuk say Yaakov and then Yitzchak and then Abraham? Because HaKadosh Baruch Hu was telling us, even Yaakov Avinu would have been enough to save all of Klal Yisrael. And if that wasn't enough, I would add on Yitzchak to save all of Klal Yisrael. And if that wasn't enough, even Abraham would have been enough to save all of Klal Yisrael. And adds of Yisachar Shlomo Teichtel, in his profound work, Eim HaBanim Smecha, a sefer written during one of the darkest periods of our time during the Holocaust, about the light of the world, Eretz Yisrael, the pasuk concludes, V'ha'aretz es kor. HaKadosh Baruch Hu was telling Klal Yisrael, if Yaakov wasn't enough, and Yitzchak wasn't enough, and Avram wasn't enough, you know what would save us? Ha'aretz, the land. Eretz Yisrael itself has the kedusha, has the koach, the power to save the world from tragedies, to save Klal Yisrael from horrible times. As is Hashem, we should be able to have this appreciation of the land of Israel, to be able to understand the power of the protective nature that it gives for us, and to be able to be makir tov to HaKadosh Baruch Hu for the fact that He gave us such a land. Have a great Shabbos.